Hear ye, hear ye. Prepare thyself for the grand joust on the 15-minute battleground of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In this medieval melee, armored price knights clash for glory and gold. So don thy helmet and let the tourney begin. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area, high, VAH, 7,461. The Royal Balcony. Bulls must reclaim it before they can wave banners and demand applause. Value area low, VAL, 7,430. The Castle Gate. Price is currently below it, so the bears have at least kicked the drawbridge loose. Point of control, POC, 7453. The jousting field where the most contracts clashed. Reclaiming it would signal buyers are back in armor. Support zone, 7,415 to 7,430. Session low into VAL. Buyers need to defend this moat or risk being tossed into the dungeon. Deeper support zone, 7,405 to 7,410. Downside extension zone, if 7,415 fails with momentum. Resistance zone, 7,430 to 7,437. VAL into VLW AP, first major test for any bounce. Upper resistance zone, 7,453 to 7,461. POC into VAH. The King's Guard is likely stationed here. Single print/escape paths. Lower, 7,415 to 7,418. Thin lower battlefield. Break below can accelerate. Upper, 7,464 to 7,470. Thin upper tower path. Acceptance above may trigger squeeze behavior. Market context. The last three sessions show a strong push higher from 7,354 towards 7,470. But today's early action has shifted from royal procession to battlefield retreat. Price rallied into 7,469. Failed to hold the upper court, then sold sharply into 7,421. Current trade is below VWAP near 7,437, below VAL at 7,430, and well below POC at 7,453, giving the bears the tactical advantage unless bulls quickly reclaim value. In tournament terms, the bulls charged bravely, then discovered the lance was decorative. Volume analysis, cumulative volume delta, CVD. Breakdown, using signed bar volume proxy from the file. Session CVD open, 4,995 contracts. Early buyers entered the arena with shiny armor. CVD peak, 9,641 at 4 a.m. Eastern Time. Bulls briefly won the opening joust. Current CVD, negative 48,723. Sellers have taken command of the field. CVD low, negative 48,723 at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Selling pressure closed at its weakest reading. Net CVD shift, negative 53,718 from early peak structure. Heavy sell-side aggression. Interpretation, price made a strong upside probe, but CVD collapsed while price fell below value. That is bearish initiative selling, not just a polite medieval disagreement over candle placement. Volume analysis, cumulative volume delta, CVD. Breakdown, using signed bar volume proxy. Session CVD open, 4,995 contracts. Early buyers entered the arena with shiny armor. CVD peak, 9,641 at 4 a.m. Eastern Time. Bulls briefly won the opening joust. Current CVD, negative 48,723. Sellers have taken command of the field. CVD low, negative 48,723 at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Selling pressure closed at its weakest reading, net CVD shift, negative 53,718 from early peak structure. Heavy sell-side aggression. Interpretation. Price made a strong upside probe, but CVD collapsed while price fell below value. That is bearish initiative selling, not just a polite medieval disagreement over candle placement. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, 7,415 to 7,430, only after reclaiming 7,430 or showing strong rejection below it. Stop loss, 7,409 or below the 7,415 low volume floor. Profit target, 7,437, then 7,453, then 7,461. Short trades. Entry zone. Rejection at 7,430 to 7,437, or failure to reclaim VWAP. Stop loss. 7,442 for aggressive shorts, or 7,462 for wider structure. Profit target, 7,415, then 7,410, then 7,405. Risk note. A TR is around 10, so stops tighter than 5 to 6 points may get jousted out by routine volatility. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Reclaim VAL. Bulls retake 7,430 and hold above it. Setup. Long above 7,431. Stop 7,420. Target 7,437. Then 7,453. This is the knight finds his horse again setup. Scenario B. VWAP. Rejection. Price bounces into 7,437, but fails. Setup. Short. 7,435 to 7,437. Stop 7,442. Target 7,415. Sellers keep the crown and the snacks. Scenario C. Breakdown. Below. Support. Price loses 7,415 with expanding volume. Setup. Short below 7,415. Stop 7,425. Target 7,410. Then 7,405. The drawbridge snaps and gravity becomes the court jester. Scenario D. Full value. Reclaim. Price reclaimed 7,453p OC and holds. Setup. Long above 7,454. Stop 7,437. Target 7,461. Then 7,470. Bulls regain the tournament ground, but they still need volume knights, not foam swords. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.